Hi all, welcome to Code with Kartiki. So today's typecasting function is bool. So we know that typecasting function means it converts data from one data type to another. So that is the typecasting function. So now we are going to see bool function. So what this bool function does, converts data from another data type to boolean type. And facility provided by this bool function is any data type to boolean data type conversion is possible. So we have already seen that int and float doesn't work with complex data type. But bool means you can convert any data type to boolean data type using this bool function. So now one by one we will try this with different data types. For example, I am taking here one integer 18 and I am converting that into bool. So now here I will take here b is equal to bool of I. So now here I will check data type of B. That is, using type function we can find data type of B. So then before conversion we will check data type of I. So here also we use type function type of I. Then and we will print B's value on the console. So how it is converting that we will check. So which value we are getting output we will see. So now here data type of I is integer. Then we have used bool function to convert that into boolean data type. So for that we have used bool function. So its data type is class bool, and then value. So what we have done, what it has done, it has converted that integer into bool. Bool means, so we know that boolean data type it is having only two values, true and false. So true and false means where if value is existing it will return you true, and if value doesn't exist it will return you false. So here this integer value is present, so that's why it has converted that into true. So means whenever you are converting any data type to boolean data type, it will return you only true or false. So that is the conversion of any data type to boolean. So now we will try with other data types and we will print on the console. So for example, I am taking here float and I will print bool of this. So boolean of f. So we will give here bool of f. We are passing. Then complex we will take 3 plus 4j, print boolean of c, that is bool of c. Then next we will take string s is equal to city I am taking, city name for example Pune I am taking, print boolean of s, bool of s I am taking. So now we will see what value it returns. So here we are going to get true everywhere. Why? Because we are passing this value, and as these values are existing, so it will return you true. So if I run this, so I am getting here true for all. Why? Because here it is converting into boolean, means it is just checking value is existing or not. If it is existing, it is returning you true. For example, here if I take, for example, I am taking 0, for example z is equal to 0 I am taking, and if I convert that into boolean boolean value, boolean of z. So boolean of z is false. So if I run this, so I am getting here false, right? So in this way, so 0 means value doesn't exist, means 0 means false. So we know that internally this true and false are represented as 0 and 1, right? So this false is 0. So now if I take here empty string, so I am taking here r is equal to, so if I take here empty string and if I convert into boolean, so here also I will get false because empty string means there is nothing. So here also we will get false because these are the falsy value: empty data structure, empty string, um, none value, 0, false. So these are the falsy values in Python. So R we are taking, sorry. So if I run this, so I am getting here false. So why? Because this is empty string. So if I give here one space character, it is valid string. So that's why now if I run this code, so I will get here true because space is also one character, right? So now if you are giving any space here, that is also one character. So that's why we are getting here true. So in this way, you can convert any data type to boolean using this bool function. So in this way we have seen this bool function. So if you like the content of my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to get notification. Thanks for watching the video.